All of you, good morning. Welcome back to 5 Advanced Academy. Yes, so already we have discussed JEE Mains and JEE Advanced levels already complete so many topics. We are completed before topics, previous topics. But today we are going to discussing topic is transformations of the axis. First of all, we'll discuss what is the transformations of the axis. What is the transformations we will discuss. What is the transformations of the axis is nothing but the transformations of the axis are obtained. These transformations of the axis is obtained. The given origin point is shifting to the one more point on the axis without changing direction of the with respect and x and y axis. This called as a transformations of the axis. Here, what is a transformation? Here, this is a origin point. This is a origin point x with respect to x and y dash. Actually, we are shifting the origin point one more point, any one more point on the axis. Like we will take one more axis like here. So this is with respect to nothing but this is a o dash, this is a x dash and y dash. So this x comma y axis will take one point, locus point P x comma y. We know that what is the p x comma y? X is the x ordinates, y is the y ordinate points. X is the abscissa, y is the ordinate points. So right here, this one is draw a parallel to x axis, and same way this one is draw a parallel to x axis. One more thing, here this point is P point is like this one. Therefore, this one is L, this one is N, this one is M. This one is M. We are assume that the O dash point is assume C H comma K. O dash point is assume that H comma K. This origin point O equal to 0 comma 0. These are origin point. Actually, before origin point is 0 comma 0. But whenever we are changing to origin point, we are assuming that O dash equal to H comma K. Right? O dash equal to H comma K. Therefore, OL equal to H. Then same way, this length is, assume that the point is Q. So OQ is nothing but K. OQ is nothing but K. Right? This one is R. Assume that. So the same way, here this one is, this length is actually this P x dash comma y dash. So this length is x dash and this length is y dash. Here once observe here, OQ equal to O dash L. OQ equal to O dash L. Therefore, this is also same length. This is a K. And one more thing, this one also x dash. Next one, this one is y. Why? Because this is a y dash. This is the y dash. So this length also y dash. So this is the length is K. Right. This now we are going to find out. Actually, we are going to find out here whenever the transformation axis, whenever they changed the locus point P x comma y dash, what is the point? Same way P x comma y is the what is the point. Now we are going to find, right, from this diagram, this O dash equal to H comma K, Y equal to 0 comma 0. Then here QO equal to O dash L equal to K. QO equal to O dash L equal to K. Same way here, this origin point N equal to OL plus LN. What is the ON? ON is nothing but we know that this is a X. This is a main axis. This is the main axis. So this length is, we know that Y. Therefore, ON equal to X equal to OL. OL is nothing but H plus LN. LN is nothing but x dash. X dash, therefore x equal to h plus, therefore x equal to h plus x dash. From here, this equation x dash equal to x minus h. X minus h. So now we are find out this x dash and x. Now we are going to y axis. From here y axis, we want to actually y point. So therefore OR, this one OR equal to OQ plus QR. Therefore OR equal to, what is a OQ? Is nothing but K. Some QR is nothing but Y. What is a OR? Actually OR is nothing but Y. Therefore Y equal to K plus is nothing but Y dash. K plus Y dash. Therefore this is a point of Px comma Y. Same way this one Y dash equal to Y minus K. So this is the, whenever we are to change it to the transformations of the axis, one more axis, we'll get xp, x comma y, then px dash y dash. Therefore p x comma y equal to p x comma y equal to x equal to h plus x, then y equal to k x dash plus k plus y dash. This is the p x comma y, and similarly this p x dash and y dash equal to, what is x dash? Is nothing but x minus h, comma y dash is nothing but y minus k. This is the whenever transformations of a axis we'll get is a p x dash comma y dash, and a p x comma y is p is a locus point of the axis without changing the direction of x and y axis. Understand? I hope this is a very very easy topic. So many members thinking these are transformations of x is very hard. That so many members thinking but this transformations axis is very easy. Very easy topic. Only two topics is there in transformations of axis. Whenever the origin point is changed to the without changing the direction of the x comma and y axis. And one more thing point is, whenever we are changed to the x ordinates, x axis, x and y axis direction, whenever we are changed, how do we get the locus point p x comma y? These are 2 points only there in expression transformations. These are first two topic in transformations of the axis. Whenever we are changed, whenever changed to the before not changing to the origin point is 0 comma 0. Whenever origin point is changed, that one O dash equal to h comma k. This is the first point. And one more point is, whenever before we are not changing the direction, that one p x comma y is the locus of the point p, any point of the axis p x comma y, where x equal to will get h plus x dash, and same way y equal to will get k plus y dash. So we will get the p x comma y values. These are p x comma y values. Next, one more thing, whenever we are origin point we are changed without direction, without changing the direction x and with respect to x and y ordinates, that time p x comma y dash is nothing but p x dash equal to x minus x, and same way y dash equal to y minus k. This is the transformations of the first topic. Next we will discuss one small example. When the origin point is shifted to minus 2 comma 3 by translations of the axis, let us find coordinates of 1 comma 2 with respect to new axis. Here given question is, first one given question is, when the origin point is shifted, is nothing but origin point is shifted. These are x comma y axis, these are origin point, these are x comma y axis, but origin point is shifted. Is nothing but origin point, assume that origin point is shifted. These are x dash and y dash, these are q dash, o dash is nothing but h comma k. So shifted point is nothing but o dash equal to h comma k. Here o dash is given, therefore o dash equal to h comma k equal to minus 2 comma 3. Here is nothing but, here shifted origin point is given, then let us find the coordinates of 1 comma 2 with respect to new axis. Here with respect to new axis, nothing but already 1 comma 2 is the world axis of the points is P x comma y. Is nothing but P x comma y is given. Is nothing but 1 comma 2. Actually, we are going to find out with respect to new axis. With respect to new axis is nothing but P x dash y dash is nothing but we are going to find. Understand? Therefore, x dash equal to x minus h comma y dash equal to y minus k. Therefore, x dash equal to x minus h. X is equal to 1 minus h is nothing but minus 2 is nothing but 2. Next, comma y dash. Y dash equal to y. What is the y value? 2 minus k is nothing but 3. Therefore, x dash equal to 3 comma y dash equal to minus 1. Therefore, finally, p x dash comma y dash equal to 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. Therefore, p x dash comma y dash. So, p x dash comma y dash equal to 3 comma minus 1. This is the answer. So, actually, your asking question is, whenever the origin point is changed, new axis point you are asking. That's why p x dash y dash equal to 3 comma minus 1. Next example, when the origin point is shifted to the 3 comma 4 by the transformations of the axis is nothing but shifted origin point of shortest shifted is nothing but q equal to 3 comma 4. Next one is, let us the information of the form when the transformation equation whenever the origin point not shifted to before the equation is nothing but is 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y equal to 0. Next, actually given question is find the transformed equation. Find the transformed equation is nothing but whenever the origin axis is shifted after the equation. After equation is nothing but first of all we are going to find out these are h comma k. First of all we are going to find out the p x comma y is nothing but x equal to x1 plus h, same way y equal to y1 plus h, y1 plus k. So these are formulas. Therefore x and y, x and y. Actually we know that 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square, these are equation of the whenever the transform may actually not change that before the equation, but whenever the transformation axis changed after we are going to find the equation is nothing but x equal to x dash plus h, y equal to y dash plus k. Therefore, x is nothing but x equal to x dash. What is the h value? 3. Next, y equal to y dash plus what is the k value? 4. Therefore, assume that 1, these are equation 1, these are equation 2, these are equation 3. Therefore, equation 2 and 3 substitute in equation 1. Equation 2 and equation 3 we are substituting in equation 1. Therefore 2 into x is nothing but x dash plus 3 plus 4 into x dash plus 3 into next y dash plus 4 plus 5 y dash plus 4 is nothing but y dash plus 4 whole square equal to 0. Whole square equal to 0. Therefore, here 2, these are 2 x square, right? Therefore, 2 into x dash whole square plus 9 plus 6 x dash plus 4 into x dash y dash plus 4x dash plus 3y dash plus 12. Therefore, plus 5 into y dash square plus 4 square is nothing but 16 plus is nothing but 8 y dash. No, 8 y dash. A, B is nothing but y dash equal to 0. Therefore, from this equation 2x dash whole square plus 18 plus 12x dash plus 4 x dash y dash plus 16x dash plus 12y dash plus 12 4 ja 48 plus 5 y dash plus 16 5 ja. So 16 4 ja 64, 80 plus 40 y dash equal to 0. From this equation, so first of all note down x square like, so 2x square, 2x dash square. Next one 40 y dash, this one y dash square. This one is y5 y dash square. Next one is for 12x dash. These are 12x dash. 12x dash plus 16x dash plus 28x dash. 28x dash. Same way plus 12y dash plus 2 this one 52y dash. Next plus 4x dash y dash. Next one is 4x dash y dash. Next where is, so as this one is 4x dash y dash. Therefore plus here 18 plus 80 plus this 128 this 146 equal to 0. This is the equation. Therefore this equation written as 2x dash square plus 2x dash square plus this one 4x dash y dash plus 20x dash plus 52y dash plus this one 5y dash square plus 146 equal to 0. So this is the, we are dropped the equation, we dropped the dashes. We have dropped the dashes. Required equation is 2x square plus 4xy plus 28x plus 52y plus 5y square plus 146 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the, whenever the axis is changed after the new axis equation is, this is the